If you're tired of being socially awkward...
Remember that? Directors Guild? Have you done this interview before?
Yeah, nobody wants that. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video because we're going to be talking about how to fix social awkwardness. Right now, I'm actually going to be heading out to film this video. Let's go.
On your mind. So tell me where we went wrong.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new to the channel, first off, welcome to the channel, bro. I'm Tony. I put up self-improvement, fitness, dating advice, all this kind of content to take your life to the next level. So if you want to take your life to the next level, this is a channel for you. So let's get into the video. Number one, you got to get out of your head. Most people usually are in their head when they're in conversations with people. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I talk to people, I'm always second guessing what I'm gonna say, or second guessing what I've already said, or just like, oh, I stuttered when I said that, or hey, I didn't pronounce that right. Like, if you made a mistake or you stutter when you said something or you didn't pronounce something right, don't take yourself too seriously, man. What you have to do in that scenario is just laugh it off. It doesn't really matter, man. If something like that happens, just make a joke out of it and move on. It doesn't really matter. That little thing. I watched a podcast where Drake was on, or I think it's a YouTube video, and what he said was, I think he said it did something dumb and then they put on the internet. I can't really remember exactly what that was, but what he said was, if you do something dumb today and probably gets on the internet, that's like the worst thing that could happen, man. Like, someone does something bad and it gets on the internet. Like, what could be worse than that? So what he said was, someone is gonna do something stupid tomorrow and then they're gonna forget what you did. So in this case, like, that little thing you did, you think is a big deal. It's not actually a big deal, man. You just gotta move on from that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the sun is hot as fuck right now, man. I'm losing my mind. I'm putting on like a sweatshirt, not a sweatshirt. I'm putting on like a long sleeve button down shirt, man. This heat is on a whole new level. But anyways, number two, you got to get comfortable. Having a conversation with someone is gonna be awkward if you're meeting the person for the first time. If I'm talking to a stranger, I already have it at the back of my mind that in the first 10-20 seconds, it's probably gonna be awkward. Just keep that in mind, and that is gonna help you stay present. That's gonna help you, like, you have to be comfortable with that awkwardness in the first few seconds of meeting someone. So what I normally do is I have that at the back of my mind. It may not be like totally awkward, but it is gonna be a little bit awkward. So you just have to live with that, man. You just have to know that and kind of keep that at the back of your mind. Pretty much. One of the most confident people I know is really like comfortable with awkward silences. You know, if you're having a conversation with someone, awkward silences are gonna come up. There are two kind of people. There's one person who doesn't say anything and is chilled, and there's another person who tries to say anything possible to like keep the conversation going, because they're not comfortable with awkward silences, which you probably are if you're watching this video right now, and is not what you need to do. Because if you do that, that's when it's gonna get even more awkward, because you're gonna start saying shit that does not even make sense. If an awkward silence comes up in a conversation when you're talking to someone, don't say anything. It's better to not say anything than to open your mouth and remove all doubt. I don't know if that kind of plays in what I'm saying right now, but you guys get the idea. If an awkward silence comes up, don't say anything. Don't worry. The person you're talking to will most likely say something and carry the conversation. You guys can keep it going. Yeah. Number three, you need to get outside of your comfort zone. Here's the deal. Me doing this right now, I'm literally filming a video out in public. I am going outside of my comfort zone doing this right now. Here's the thing. The more you go outside of your comfort zone, the more the comfort zone is going to expand. When I first started filming out in public, it was really terrifying for me, man. Like, I couldn't do this for like 2 minutes straight. Like, I would run out of what I was saying, man. I would get confused. I wouldn't know what I was saying anymore. I would start saying shit. But now I can concentrate on what I'm doing. I can concentrate on talking to you guys. And that's because my comfort zone is expanded. Then started filming in the first place. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm trying my best to get more outside of my comfort zone. Filming out in public is now in my comfort zone. So now I need to start doing things to challenge myself a little bit more to get outside of my comfort zone. So what you want to do here is go outside of your comfort zone. You know, if you're going out in the morning or in the evening, or you're coming back from work or school or something, you know, talk to a few people. Try to start a conversation with a complete stranger that you don't know. Just any conversation, man. Just try to do it. It might be awkward in the first 10-20 seconds. Like I said earlier, that is inevitable. It's always gonna happen. You just have to keep that at the back of your mind. But aside from that, just try to make conversations with people you don't know. So keep doing that for, I don't know, a week or two. Just keep doing that, man. After a while, it's gonna be in your comfort zone, and it's gonna be easier for you to start conversations with people you don't know, and then even more easier to get into conversations with people that you are familiar with. I just have to say this, like, this video is not as planned, man. I did not plan this video to be like this, man. I planned the video to be a little bit more interesting, you know. I planned to put like some social challenges in here. That was the plan for the video, but shit happens and the plans got canceled and we couldn't really do that anymore. But it is what it is. I still got the video done for you guys. I'm actually running late right now. I need to haul ass and go for my meeting. I'm having a meeting actually, so I need to hurry up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I've not uploaded anything in the last like month, but I mean, you guys should bear with me, man. I've been really busy lately, so you guys should hold on. I'm gonna keep uploading content. The channel is growing faster, so like I'm even more pumped to pump out content for you guys. You have no idea. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like button. Smash the like button, guys. Like the video and let me know you enjoyed it, man. Let me know you made it all the way to the end of the video. Click subscribe and turn notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys. Stay positive, and I will see you guys on the next video.